My name is Rodrigo and I'm in diesel.
My name is Ryan Barnett. I teach the diesel technology class here at Canadian Valley.
My favorite part about attending CV Tech is I get to learn hands-on, and it's just such a good environment. Lots of friendly people to meet. You know, everybody that likes the stuff that I like come here.
In diesel technology, you will learn a wide variety of different skills. We will go over everything on a modern truck, from engines, steering and suspension, drivetrain, electrical, all the way down to wheels, tires, and brakes. The job outlook in the diesel field is way above average. There's not a place in the United States or anywhere in the world that a student shouldn't be able to find a job in the trucking industry, agriculture, or construction.
This program, it helps a lot because diesel is one of your leading technologies in all of the automotive industry. Whatever happens in diesel trickles down the line to gas-powered engines, to power sport type stuff. So whenever you're in diesel, you learn state-of-the-art technology for the most part.
My greatest hope is that my students, after graduating from CV Tech, can find a job that will be able to allow them to provide for their family, even if they do choose to go to college and get a job out of this field, to know a skill where they can earn a living.